Hello! Well, we're finally out. Apparently we've got a lovely week ahead, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully get out quite a bit this week. Got a week off work. All looking good. I'm going to be taking a ride around the fishing pools I came across recently. Don't know whether I'm supposed to be there, but when has that ever bothered me? But it's a nice steady ride round there, so we'll go take a look and see if we get told off. Just taking my time, going along at a steady 15 miles an hour. Power assist 3. Battery will last a long time at that setting. It's a bit windy today. Well, it's a bit windy. There's a bit of a headwind. It's slowed me down a little bit, but not that noticeable. Seems to be a lot of cars about. Okay, so here we have Baden Hall fishery. Pre-bookings only, to book or visit. Like I say, I have come round here before. Nobody said anything. Well, they didn't catch me anyway. There's quite a few pools here apparently. Small ones and large ones. There's a couple of small ones on the left here, and I think this is the bigger one on the right. Yeah, quite a few out fishing too. But like I say, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be on here. I mean, I know it's private fishing, but and it did say on the gate if you want to have a look around or something to that wording, you have to book. But I don't want to look around. Well, I do, but I'm doing no harm, am I? And what's to say I haven't come in a car? I'm just going for a bit of a leisurely bike ride. The EP-2's holding up well, no issues. This is the 500 watt, and to be honest, I don't think this is available anymore. I think it's the 750 now. I don't think you can get the 500 anymore. But stand corrected on that one. Now, I haven't tested the 750, so I can't compare, but I have heard some reviews say that it's lacking power uphill. Well, the 500 certainly isn't. I have no problem getting up hills. The car coming past, I better let him come past. Yeah, I've certainly had no issues with the hills. I don't know whether it's down to a different controller they use or something. Maybe. Like I say, I haven't had one to compare it to, so can't really say. I do know the 500 works very well. I think the top speed's a couple of mile an hour faster on the 750. I don't know. Maybe Engwe want to send me one to test out. Eh? I'll do a bit of a review and a comparison for you. Don't think I'll be going down there. Looks a bit looks a bit wet. I'm assuming this is the big lake. But there's quite a few pools around here. Some more over that way. If it's one or two over there. You can go around the back of that one. But like I say, I'm not going to go through all that mud. Not today. I'm not in that sort of off-road type mood. Can have a look down here though, can't we? See if that goes anywhere. Certainly a lot of people here. The nice weather has brought them out. Yeah, it looks like a nice place. You know, if you're into fishing. I used to do it many years ago. Should really stop and ask somebody, shouldn't I? How good the fishing is. Well, they must be catching something, else they wouldn't be here, would they? Can't help myself, can I? Just got to turn off. Oh, I don't know about this. Look. Where's that take you? I think I should have a look. Oh, what the hell, come on. What's the worst that can happen again? Just have a look what's down here, eh? Sometimes I just can't help myself. I see her turning off and I just take it. Well, it's how you get to explore places, isn't it? You know? I mean, I'd never known this this lane was down here. Otherwise. Right. Not sure about this. I don't know. Suppose I could go around there, but do I want to? Another blooming pool there, look. I don't know. I think I'm better off turning round actually. I don't want to get my bike all muddied up today. So maybe when it's drier, we'll have a look down there. Somewhere to explore, isn't it? Another day. So we'll leave Baden Hall fishing pools for today. Come back again when it's a bit drier. But yeah, decent place. thing I can say is that since gooping the tyres and inserting tyre liners in them, I haven't had a puncture. Now that could be just coincidence, but I certainly haven't had one, and if I have, I haven't noticed. I do check the tyres from time to time to see if there's any thorns or the likes in them. But these sandstorm tyres, they seem as much harder rubber than the standard knobbly tyres, so hopefully that helps too. I mean, everything helps, doesn't it? Any sort of protection you can get on them inner tubes, it's all good. I'll leave a couple of links so you can check them out. Fitting the sandstorm tyres and gooping the tyres and fitting the tyre liners. I've done videos on them all, so you can take a look at them at your leisure. About 48 volts left in the battery, and we're still getting up to 23 miles an hour. I don't know whether they did use a different, well, they obviously used a different controller in this model. Maybe that's why they haven't been, maybe that's why they've been having a few issues with the newer 750. Because they're using a different controller. And some people have reported that the controller's burnt out when doing a long uphill, putting strain on the motor and the likes. I mean, they even mention it on the Engwe website. Something about, I forget exactly what it said. Something about not putting the motor under strain for a long period of time. Well, that's 12 miles done today. I think that's enough for now. Seems it's the start of the well, the start of my cycling season. I have to work my way back into it again. Well, that's a good 12 mile. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.